Hello everyone, welcome back to Vidya's Home Beauty Knowledge channel. Recently we went on a family trip to Tirumala and me and my husband went by steps. So I wanted to share few key points about this journey. Though it was a little tiresome to go by steps, but still the journey was so serene. There are two ways to reach Tirumala by steps. One is from Alipiri Margam, the other is from Srivarimettu. The route that we had taken was Alipiri because Srivarimettu got damaged because of the recent 2021 December floods. So this is the starting point, which is from the Rajagopuram. This was at 6:30 am and to reach Tirumala it took us a total of 4.5 hours. Alipiri Margam is a 9-kilometer distance with total steps of 3,550. At step number 250 you will pass through the Mysore Gopuram, which is the second Gopuram. There will be a total of 4 Gopuras through which you will pass. It was winter season when we had gone, but we did not prefer carrying sweaters with us since you will start feeling warm pretty quickly. After every 50th step there will be a number engraved on it. This was the 900th step. Some devotees walk along by applying haldi and kumkum to steps. After every few steps we would take a little break for a few seconds and start back again. And you will have a lot of eateries on either sides of the steps as well. In the background of this pic you can see a shop. We prefer taking liquids like ORS and fruits like banana. After the 2000th step you will reach the Galigopuram. The view from here was so beautiful. From the Tirupati city we can see Namam, Shankam and Chakram lights. So this is the Gopuram to which they have been assembled to. And on the way you will have darshan of all the Dasavataras as well, and there are some points at which there will be just walk and no steps, and this is the Ramavataram. On the way you can also see these beautiful deer. These are the deers from the deer park. Actually, because of the recent floods many of them were killed, but there were just a few this time. And this is the Balarama Avataram. At this point we could spot some monkeys which had black faces, and all around there was chirping of birds, and the atmosphere was so calm that it felt very, very serene. At one point you will be passing from steps beneath a bridge, and once you pass this you will see the Krishnavataram on the left side of the road. So this is the pathway, and as I said, this is the Krishnavataram. After this point we spotted these sambar deer, which are very big in size. These animals usually live alone or they live in small groups. After this we reached the Prasanna Anjaneya Swami temple. As many of us must be knowing that this magnificent statue would be present there, and this is the board which shows the route by steps to Tirumala. By now we would have crossed more than 2000 steps. After this there will be a distance of 4.4 kilometers to Tirumala, and after this there will be a pathway on one side of the road, and the view from here was really awesome, as you can see. We continued walking this way till we reached the last Gopuram, which is the Mohakalimitta Gali Gopuram. So over here the steps become little more steep and it was a little difficult to climb up, but this is where we were just 2 kilometers away from reaching the Tirumala. So we started at 6:30 am and reached by 11 am, and this is the entrance to Tirumala for devotees who reach by steps, which is just beside the entrance for vehicles. There is a free luggage counter at Alipiri just before starting steps, and this luggage is brought up in 2 hours and it can be collected here. On the right side you can see these green color boards. Those are the free luggage collection counters, and on the left side is a roadway entry for vehicles, as you can see here. This board here below shows step number 3550, and it was such a great experience. There is accommodation registration counter as well, and after this you will see this free luggage center wherein you can collect your luggage. So that's the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos in the future.